if I look at it too long, I see it 3 different ways in that whole video. I'm like, I give up. That's just it. If you know it, you go, okay, I got it. It's when you don't know what's happening, which is so true of anything to do with personal safety, when you don't know you're suffering from normalcy bias, which is that precondition that will omit certain information from within the environment and stop you seeing it. If you don't know that could happen and is happening, how can you combat it? You have to know it's in place. Then you can go, all right, I need to make sure my mindset, my conscious thoughts are here, not there. We'll cover 5 signs of danger with body language. There's always 2 sets of communication going on. There's a verbal and there's a non-verbal. But even if somebody's not talking, they're giving off certain messages from how they stand, how they walk, how they move. Now, with dirt, there are 21 individual body language signals. We're going to sort of really gloss and go over quickly the 5 we're going to cover tonight, but it'll be enough to get you looking at people just a little bit differently. Men have to be. Usually so much better than guys. But if you know specific signals to look for, then you'll never second guess instincts. And that's what we're trying to do, isn't it? Because otherwise we run the risk of falling foul of saying, he doesn't look like a serial killer. What does a serial killer look like? Yeah? I mean, I know it sounds goofy, but this is what happens to people every single day, where they get into an elevator with someone that gave them a bit of the creeps and they ignored it. They got in the elevator anyway. And it's part of it is bloody-mindedness. I'm getting in the elevator. I'm not letting you dictate what I do or don't do. And we're the only animal in the animal kingdom that'll do that. Get into the elevator rather than just waiting. We had this discussion last night, and how do you politely not get on the elevator because you're worried about hurting someone's feelings? Personally, I don't give a rat's. Hurt your feelings, don't hurt your feelings, I don't care, I'm sleeping tonight. But if you feel like, okay, well that's not me, it feels to me like I'm now profiling or whatever capacity you deem profiling, okay, well maybe take out your phone and pretend you've got a call right as the door's open. You're like, oh, got a call, crazy. And now you haven't hurt anybody's feelings, everybody's happy. But at the end of the day, personal safety is really about putting the priority on your own safety.